guys, welcome back to my channel. I had made a corned beef, Pisupo and cucumber, and now I'm having it with Kalo and coconut donut. Yes, and my drink today is orange and mango. Yeah, this is Pisupo. I will show you. There we go. Pisupo and donut and Kalo. Then right on. Yep. Anyway, I just finished cooking it, so it'll be a bit hot. Oh, my glasses is fogging. It's a bit hot here, so my glass is gonna fog. Don't look at it. Just look at the food. Look at this mga of me ate. Here's the Kalo. Another Kalo to go with it. It's the rabbit donut and it's chewy. It's not. And it tastes so nice. Pisupo, Falai Pisupo. You know, in most island homes, they've eaten Pisupo. Different ways of cooking it. Or just eat it. Or just eat it straight out of the can. I personally like it with fried onion. Fry it with onion. The sun shining this way. I was trying to look for something to put the plate up a bit, but I can't find anything. Got a lot of pepper in here. This is how my mum used to cook it. Falai down yummy. And fry the corned beef. Oh, yeah, onion, corned beef. And then you chuck in your whatever you want, tomato, cucumber. Oh, feels like I'm sweating. I know I am. It's 5:15 here in Cook Island, so I'm having my dinner quite early. You know, if you have no dinner ready and you've got some corned beef in the cupboard, you got dinner. That was so nice. Everything about this food is nice. Can you hear that, guys? The pigs are getting fed and they're making a noise. Must be excited to get the food. Oh God, the pig is standing up. Do you mind making a noise when I'm doing my mukbang? That's it about the island life. You have to feed yourself and feed your pigs as well. Feed the animals. They want to eat too. Yeah, have some, guys. Man, I get it in my I do not want to show some, you know, no. Cornbeef. Pisupo, guys. Pisupo. Falai is manoni. But really, that's the eating song. The eating song. Eating. Falai is manoni. Right, it's warm up. Even the cockadoos say it's finished. This was so nice. I went down really fast, so Cheers, guys. That's how yum it was. Didn't even last long on my plate. Oh my. Yeah. 11 matamas, mate. And thank you very much for watching, okay guys? I appreciate it. So, now you have to get up and go and find your corned beef in your cupboard. Slice up that onion, fry it with heaps of pepper and a bit of garlic, half a teaspoon of garlic. Chuck it in there with the onion and fry away. When it's ready, chuck in your corned beef, fry it. And then you put in your your already chopped up cucumber. Or your tomatoes, or whatever you want to chuck in it, just chuck it in, fry it up, put the lid on for a little minute, and then, you know, open it if you want your vegetable crunchy, you take it out faster. If not, you just leave the lid on for a little simmering, and then you'll have it as nice as I had it on my plate. Okay, anyway, that's my little contribution, and just in case whoever doesn't know how to fry corned beef, that's how you do it, and you get you a nice drink, sit down and enjoy the flavors of your cooking. Yeah, okay. Yeah, umalole for your chef, but I have to say goodbye because I'm going to go now, and I want to say thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again. Subscribe if you want to see more, because I can eat heaps and I can show a lot of my food that I like to consume. Thank you very much. You take care, okay? Faso fuaka kite, and behave. Be good. Be good to each other. Okay, heaps of love. Bye.